What is it I'm showing you right now? The signature kit. I mean, it's so bright. All-in organizer, zip top organizing utility tote, picnic thermal, thermal tote, zipper pouch, the pillow, large utility tote, retro metro bag, all about the Benjamins, and the cinch sack. What you see on personalization is what you get on this kit. This is our signature kit for $99. I mean, where else can you invest in a business for $99? You want to start a McDonald's, you got to have $1 million. But there's potential for you to make money with this. This is worth almost $400 right here, and you get business supplies and training and support and encouragement from so much. Definitely worth a try. So you never know what might come from it. Mortgage payment, a trip to Disney, new best friends. All of my new best friends all are named Jennifer. It's hilarious. But that's the way it is. I wouldn't have had them without this $99 kit. Is this something you could do?